In this video, I'm going to show you why Wispr Flow has become a frustrating experience for many and walk you through the best alternatives to use instead. I'll start by looking at this article where a heavy user explains why he thinks the tool might actually be making him a worse communicator. I'm scrolling through his stats, which show he's dictating nearly 200 words per minute, but he notes that because the AI is so good at fixing his speech, he's started rambling more and losing his precision. He's concerned this habit is spilling into his real-life conversations, proving that while the technology is impressive, it might be changing our natural communication for the worse. Next, I'll head over to Reddit to see why the broader community is so upset with the app lately. I'm looking at a thread where users are calling Wispr Flow a total mess with absolutely no support from the developers. As I scroll down through the comments, I see a lot of people looking for a way out and recommending better alternatives. I'm checking out Spokenly, which is mentioned as a great free option, and Voicetree, which many users prefer because it focuses on speed and privacy by using local processing. I'm also looking at Wispr and Wispr, which are praised for being much more reliable and user-friendly for daily tasks. I'll finish up by reviewing this detailed comparison that highlights several different apps you can transition to right now. It's clear that the community is moving toward more stable, local-first tools to avoid the subscription and support issues found in Wispr Flow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.